나서 내 가서
now COVID
가서
나서 the
COVID.
now
COVID. Oh. Now, this something, of course, unfortunate. Many people, including many institutions and scientists, they are, you see, making experiment. You see, try to find medicine. But overall, as I already mentioned, as also the Buddhist literature mentioned, so long destructive emotion inside their life always face some problem. So it is quite nature. So eventually, your sort of the mind, through also the through understand the reality, then which basis of all destructive emotion then reduce. So the problem, outside problem, you see, even Buddha cannot remove. Jesus Christ also cannot remove. So long, all spiritual leaders, then you see, they mentioned inner world. The theistic religion, like Christianity, Judaism, and Muslim, and so on, you see, they emphasize faith here. And try to tolerance, forgiveness, contentment, like that. So, like Buddhism, you see, the more philosophical sort of field. As I mentioned earlier, quantum physics, nothing exists as appears. So the reality not independently exist. All are mental projection. So that really very, very helpful. You see, when you face problem, not running after problem, but look inner mind, then outside thing, no matter what complicated, but you can keep peace of mind. So that much, according to my own experience, no matter what sort of external things or situation, but your own mind, through practice of shunyata or emptiness, and through practice of altruism, you can keep peace of mind. Those follower of a theistic religion think God. That also, you see, no matter how complicated situation, you can keep their peace of mind. Then, according Buddhism, within Buddhism, according Nalanda tradition, you see, not only just relying on faith, but use reason. So we call analytical meditation. Extremely useful. So I practice these things. So my life, now 86-year-old, whole my life, you see, grow in complicated situation. But I can keep peace of mind because of these knowledge how to keep inner peace. And then one, I think, useful thing is the Buddhism. According to Buddhism, the all sentient being are mother sentient being. We usually describe mother sentient being. And then in any case, through realistically speaking, 7 billion human beings are our brothers, sisters. All are the way to born, the way to go, all the same. So while alive, you see, destructive emotion there, constructive emotion there, all destructive emotion ultimately based on ignorance, constructive emotion based on reason. So with this knowledge, as an academic subject, secular way, I'm trying to share 7 billion human beings how to keep inner peace. Ultimately, the compassionate mind. Basic human nature is, since we are social animal, so compassion is part of our mind. Like that, okay. So I believe eventually 7 billion human beings can be more compassionate through reason. Okay.